What's up, guys? So I finally unlocked the crystal area. Big accomplishment, actually. First time I glitched out, but then I figured it out because I just flew my way back there with my jetpack, and I blew up another crystal and I got teleported again. So now here I am, finally being able to do this little fun side quest where I can get another chest, get that final secret chest. I've done so many secrets and this is the last one I gotta do. So let's hope for the best. So I guess we go into the magenta. Wait, no, the orange. Yes, go into the orange. Okay, let's see. I'm just trying things out, okay? Oh man, that was quick. Okay, first gem. It's the first gem so far. I think I came out of this one. No. Did I come out of this one? Yeah, I did. Okay, finally, first portal. First gem. Yeah, first gem. Okay. So, yeah. I thought I'd like to show you guys what I finally get to do to get those crystals. I lost my hat in the process. Oh, I think we go through the white? I think. Not fully sure. Looks like we have orange. Looks like we already got that crystal. Okay, let's go through the green portal. Wait, no, the gray. The gray. I think we gotta go through the gray. Yes, orange crystal. Let's go. Okay, finally we can. Sorry. Huh? Okay. For a sec I thought I glitched it out and then I couldn't do it anymore. Would have been a little tragic. Oh, no, wait, nope. Not that one. I think we go through the white one. Okay, no, we don't go through the white one. The white one ain't the right one. Okay, we go through the green one, and yes. Let's go! Okay, so now that we got our second crystal, all we got left is one more crystal. Let's see, we got that covered. Okay, let's go through the blue one now. Okay, let's try the black one. There we go! We finally got the last one. I think it was the blue one that no, it was the cyan. Then I went through like I think like the yellow one I went through. Yeah. And finally, we can get the surprise on what it is. What do we get? Boring. Yeah. Yes, I got the portal. Now I can make an AFK farm. So now that I finally got everything, we can finally close off. Wait, no. What did I even start in the first place? Oh yeah, right. I never started anything, but we're gonna close off all the secret findings until a new level comes out, and we can finally get a new secret. Okay, yeah, in the end.